Diversifying your portfolio to minimize losses. So, investment seems like a pretty lucrative thing to do, but it has a lot of intricacies that needs to be looked at. This video will talk about one such things known as diversifying the portfolio. Let's begin. What is diversifications in investing? Diversifications can be known as a technique that helps reduce the risk of investment by distributing the investments among different financial instruments and industries. So the reason behind this is it helps to maximize the returns. It does that by extracting the returns from different areas that would react differently to the same news or events. It does not, however, guarantee against complete loss. However, it sure does help minimize the losses if executed properly. What exactly happens while diversifying the investment? So when one diversifies their investments, they do it to reduce the risk that an investment proposes. But on the other hand, it also helps maximize the return. There are, of course, certain risks that cannot be avoided, but hedging and diversifying the portfolio can aid one in avoiding the unsystematic risk. Benefits of diversification. The future is uncertain, and the market are always changing. So we diversify the investment among the various assets and companies that are affected by the same risk. Its primary aim is not to maximize and increase the profits, but to decrease the risk. It is a fact that the investors who do not diversify their portfolios may outperform those who do diversify in the short term. Still, it has been proven that diversified portfolios tend to outperform the not diversified investments in the long term. One important point to diversifications is to own investments that tends to perform or react differently when exposed to a similar market. For example, when bond yields fall, the stock price increases. So, according to the expert, these two are correlated negatively. So, diversifying the portfolio by investing in both will lead to lesser risk and probably even more gains. An example. So, what constitutes a diversified portfolio is various assets available for investment. They include bonds, stocks, and likewise. So, these investments are diversified by buying shares of different companies, industries, and assets. So, it may be that you have stocks of the transport, retail, FMCG sector along with government and corporate issued bonds. To diversify it further, one may include cash and money market accounts. Issues about diversifications. It is not all bright and sunny when diversifying the investments. There are some negative issues as well, like it is a very cumbersome process to manage a diversified portfolio. More so in the case when you have multiple investments and holdings. Diversifying a portfolio is also expensive as not all types of investments are of the same amount. So selling and buying them will be expensive as there are brokerage charges as well as transaction fees applied to them. So this is why diversifications of portfolio is very important. So comment, what do you think about this?